Good morning, everybody. How are you? Okay, I'm also fine. Today I will give third lecture of the chapter 4 Circle Higher Mathematics first paper. I have already given 2 lectures on this chapter. Okay, and we have learned more about this chapter. Okay, now follow the board, everyone. X square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c. This is the equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle whose center minus c minus f, and also x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square, this is equal to r square whose center is k. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, that's mean the circle will be like as. Okay, the circle will be like as. So center minus c minus f or is k. Okay, now take the axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Follow the figure. Okay, the center of the circle is k and minus c minus f. Follow here. Okay, this is the origin. That's mean the circle passes through the origin. Origin means 0, 0. Okay, now draw a triangle. Okay, this is a right angle. If this is a right angle, so that will be hypotenuse, and also this is a radius. Also this is a radius. Clear? So from right angle triangle we can write radius this equal to hypotenuse is square, this equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Is square, but hypotenuse this equal to r, so r is square. This equal to you can write base mean here this measurement from center to this measurement, that is a k, and this is a height. That's mean this measurement will be from here to here, that will be h. That's mean axis, and this will be k. Now if you consider this is base, you will get h square, and if you take this is a height of perpendicular, that is equal to k square, or this equal to h is equal to minus c, h is equal to minus c whole square mean g square, k is equal to minus f, so this equal to f square. Okay, as r square, this equal to h square plus k square. Now putting this in equation 2, we'll get from here, follow. After calculating, we'll get x square minus 2hx plus h square plus y square minus 2ky plus k square. Right side will be R square mean AC square plus K square. So AC square plus K square. AC square K square. This equal to, we can write x square minus 2ax plus y square minus 2ky. This equal to 0. This is the equation of circle passes through the origin. Okay, follow this everyone. Here we will get r square is equal to h square k square. But after calculating this, we'll get here right side r square, left side h square plus k square. Okay, and remaining part, that's mean this part are here. Now h square plus k square minus r square, this equal to 0. Leftward complete. We have already explained this. Just again I repeat. When this equal to, if we take C, we will get the general equation of circle. That means here is C. This equal to, we can write h square plus k square minus r square. Okay, so this equal to, we can write C. Okay, but r square, this equal to, we have already got h square plus k square. As r square is equal to h square plus k square, so we can write h square plus k square minus h square minus k square. That means here will be, h square plus k square minus h square minus k square. Right side will be C. So this cut, that's mean 0. This equal to C. That means C is equal to 0. As C is equal to 0, so the general equation of circle will be x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy. This equal to 0. That means constant term will be 0. This is the equation of circle passes through the origin. Clear, everyone? Okay. Again, follow this. Again I write x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c. This equal to 0, and x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square, this equal to r square. Here center, this is equation 1, minus c minus f, here is k. Okay, now circle will be this. So center is a or minus c minus f. If the circle touches the x-axis, this is the x-axis, okay, origin, y-axis, x prime, y prime, origin, and from here to here this measurement will be what? K. That's mean ordinate, or minus f. From here to here this measurement will be h or minus g. If the circle touches the x-axis at this point, that's mean touching point, that is a point of contact. So point of contact will be ordinate 0. So here will be h 0 or minus c 0. On x-axis ordinate 0. That is axis from here to here, that is equal to h or minus c. That means this measurement and this measurement same. Okay, so point of contact will be H 0 or minus G 0. Clear everyone? Yes. And the radius of the circle will be what? Radius of the circle will be this. This equal to what? This equal to K. As it is equal to K, so the equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. This equal to r is equal to what? R is equal to k whole square. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay. That's right. Now, again, follow the board. Everyone, I'll draw another circle whose center is K, radius minus Z minus F. From here to here, this equal to H, and from here to here, this equal to K or minus F. H or minus Z. So point of contact will be this. This point is a point of contact. This point. This will be on y-axis. On y-axis, abscissa will be 0. So the point of contact will be 0, and from here to here, this point, that's when you have to take this measurement on y-axis. This measurement will be K or minus F. 0 minus F. But this measurement will be radius of this circle. Radius of the circle means this H. So the equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, this equal to h square. That's mean when a circle touches y-axis, the equation of circle will be this. Okay, and also we have discussed when a circle touches y-axis, we can write intercepting part from y-axis, this equal to f square minus c, that is equal to 0. That's when we can write square root over a square minus c, this equal to 0. That's when f square is equal to c. We have already discussed this. So I will not repeat this. Clear everyone? Okay. Now again follow this. This is a y prime. This is a y. Okay. Now follow this. The circle touches on both axes. That's x-axis and y-axis. As the circle touches x-axis and y-axis, so point of contact will be this and point of contact will be this. As this measurement is equal to, we have already discussed k or minus f. So this point and this point will be on x-axis coordinate 0. But from here to here, this is equal to h, or we can write minus z minus z 0 as on x-axis coordinate 0. This equal to, we can write, this equal to, we can write 0, this measurement, that is equal to k or 0 minus f. But remember, that's mean this measurement and this measurement both are radius. So the measurement of this and this are equal. As this and this are equal, so we can convert any one of this term. That means you can take this is h, you also take this is h, or you also take this is minus z. Clear? So you can take center h or minus c minus c. or you can take k or minus a. So this also is or minus c, this also is or minus c. So you can take also here is and also here minus c. You can take also here is and minus g. Clear? That's mean measurement will be same. Okay, and the equation of circle will be x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to s square. Clear everyone? And another part we can take, another part that's mean as the circle turns on both axes, we can write z square is equal to a square is equal to c. We have already discussed this. Okay. Now, this is a x-axis, y-axis, origin, y prime, x prime. I have taken a circle, but center of the circle lie on x-axis. So coordinate will be 0. That's mean this is equal to a 0 or minus c 0. Okay. Clear? Now, if f is equal to 0, we can write this equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c. This equal to 0. This is the equation of circle when the center lie on x-axis. Okay. And also from this equation we can write x minus a whole square plus y square as ordinate. That's when k is equal to 0, this equal to r square. This is the equation of circle when the center lie on x-axis. Clear? But when the center lie on y-axis, what will be the equation of circle? What will be the equation of circle? That's when lie on y-axis. So here will be 0 minus f or 0 k. Okay, and that's when the equation of circle will be x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c. This equal to 0, or we can write x square plus y minus a whole square. This equal to r square. Clear? Okay. Again, follow this. If the circle lie on x-axis but touches y-axis, so center will be is 0 or minus c 0. Follow this. So we can write from here to here. That's mean this measurement is equal to is. That's mean radius will be is. Clear? As this measurement is equal to is, so the equation of circle will be here r square, and the circle touches y-axis. That's mean we can write f square this equal to c, this equal to 0. Clear? So we can put here 0. Similarly, if the circle lie on y-axis, that's mean here 0 k or 0 minus f, and passes x-axis. So from here to here, this measurement will be k from here to here, and this is a radius. So we can write here from here x square plus y minus k whole square. This equal to radius k, that's mean k square. Or we can write x square plus y square plus 2fy. This equal to 0 as c is equal to 0. Why? Because f square, sorry, it has on x axis, so we can write c square is equal to c. This equal to 0 passes through the origin, so we can write c is equal to 0. Now clear everyone? Okay. This is an equation of circle. Okay, this is a center. So a line passes through the center, that name is diameter. If the one end of this diameter is x1, y1, and another end is equal to x2, y2. Okay, what will be the equation of circle? We know diameter divide the circle into two equal circles. That means diameter divides the circle into two semicircle. This is a semicircle, also this is another semicircle. And also we know angle at a semicircle, this is equal to one right angle. That's means from here to here, or you can take any angle, all will be 90 degree. That is equal to 90 degree. You can take here, no problem, that is equal to 90 degree. You can take here, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So I will discuss only take one triangle. If take a point here, x, y. Okay, as this and this are given to points, so the slope of this line will be x minus x1 and y minus y1. That's mean difference of this and this divided by difference of this and this. This is a slope of this line. Also slope of this line will be y minus y2 by x minus x2. This slope of this line. As this and this are perpendicular. Why? Because this angle is equal to 90 degree. So the product of this two slope, that's this into this, we can write minus 1. Okay, now cross multiplication. Y minus y1 into y minus y2, this equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2. Sorry, here it will be minus. This take into left side. X minus x1, x minus x2, that will be plus y minus y1, this equal to y minus y2, this equal to 0. This is a equation of circle. Okay, when the ends point of a diameter are given. Now, if the end point of a diameter will be 1, 1 and 2, 2, what will be the equation of circle? That's mean you have to put just here x1 means 1 into x minus x2, x2 means 2 plus y minus 1 into y minus 2, this equal to 0. After calculate, you get the result. That's mean this equal to, you can write x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 plus y square minus 2y minus y plus 2. This is equal to 0. Now write in arranging. Okay, now follow this. After calculate, we will get the result. That means x square plus y square minus 3x minus 3y plus 4. This is equal to 0. This is the required result. So I think that everybody will solve the math related to the formula. So all the math related this formula, that will be homework. Today, after this, thank you everyone.